So today I'm showing you how I planned the month of August using mostly notebooks. So the first thing I did was use a calendar. This is the only thing that's not an actual notebook, but I just wrote down all the events and stuff like that that I need to keep track of for this month, appointments and stuff like that. And then after that, I just did my little weekly to-do list, which I just keep track of in a little notebook. Next up, I did a habit tracker. If you watched my other videos, you can see I was keeping track of a lot of stuff that I pretty much have down in a habit now that I don't really need to keep track of. So this month, I'm just keeping track of stuff that I really need to make sure I get down and want to make sure I'm doing every day. And then I'm also keeping track of some health stuff. So when I wake up, I'm going to try to cut down on sugar, and then I'm also keeping track of how much coffee I drink, and I want to make sure I work out every day, so I'm just making a little chart for that. And then in April, May, June, I was doing a workout program, and I found I was really consistent with working out, so I'm creating a little workout plan for myself this month just to try and keep me on track. So that's my little stuff from that notebook. Next up, for Instagram, I have a lot of photo shoot contents I just wanted to get on paper that I'll hopefully get to try out this month. And then I also wrote down the YouTube videos I want to try and get done this month, as well as Instagram videos I want to get done this month, and giveaways, because I have a lot of giveaways planned this month as well. So that's for that notebook. Last, I just wrote some goals I have for this month, and that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. See you in my next one. Bye.